Hello everyone, this is Claire at French in the Midlands. Bonjour tout le monde, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Today I'm going to show you how to use 4 very useful French power phrases. So what is a power phrase? Let me show you. The structure is always the same. A power verb, like I would like. The next verb left as is, to eat. And then anything else you might want to say, like out. I would like to eat out. So your I would like is the power verb, power phrase, because this is what will allow you to say everything else you want to say without having to change it. So let's have a look at an example now. So I chose je voudrais, which is I would like, parler, to speak, français, French. Je voudrais parler français. For our second example, I chose I need, which is j'ai besoin de. So j'ai besoin de. I need to do the shopping. J'ai besoin de faire les courses. J'ai besoin de faire les courses. You can't leave the de out because j'ai besoin de actually means I have a need of. For our third example, I chose I'm going to watch TV, which is in French je vais regarder la télé. Je vais regarder la télé. Your je vais is really handy because it signifies what you're going to do or intend to do without actually using the future tense. So if you want to tell me what you're going to be doing next weekend, you could say, oh, je vais aller au cinéma. I'm going to go to the cinema. Je vais voir mes parents. I'm going to see my parents, and so on. For our last example, I've chosen I like to eat at the cafe, which is j'aime manger au café. So your I like is j'aime, and you're going to use it quite a lot if you give your opinion. If you want to say I don't like, je n'aime pas, officially, but when we speak French, we skip the ne and we say j'aime pas. So I don't like to eat at the cafe would be je n'aime pas or j'aime pas manger au café. Let's go back to all our examples together. How would you say I would like to watch telly? Je voudrais regarder la télé. Je voudrais regarder la télé. I like to speak French. J'aime parler français. I'm going to do the shopping. Je vais faire les courses. I need to watch telly. J'ai besoin de regarder la télé. J'ai besoin de regarder la télé. And there you go. That's all your examples. You can change them and use whatever verb you want in the second position. It'll always be left as is. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you for more examples later on. In the meantime, if you need any information, just go back to my website, frenchinthemidlands.com. See you in the next video.